All right, it's time for another edition of What the Heck Is It? This week we're discussing a Budin Splint. This is designed for hammertoes. It's been around forever, pretty much since my grandfather was a podiatrist. This little device has been here. It's very simple. What we're going to do is put it over his hammertoes here, and they have to be used whenever they are reducible. So if they're very rigid, it's not going to work. So you can tell his will come down nicely. It'll also protect you on the bottom of the foot if you have any callousing or any pain issues. Sorry, you have very long hammertoes.
Yeah, I do.
The most important thing is it will not work if the toes are rigid, but the padding will still work, and a lot of people find success with that. You kind of want to wiggle it over.
Is there any sort of award that we give out for the longest toes?
There, he should get it. So if you go on the bottom here, we'll actually just tighten it up just a little bit. Don't make them too tight because you don't want to cut off the circulation to the toes. So now we're going to have him, you can already tell how it's already straightened down.
A difference for sure.
Yeah, it almost looks like it lassos.
There you go.
Yeah.
The difference.
Before
Oh my
and
God.
after.
They're easy to do to help you prevent them from getting rigidly contracted.
For non-painful hammertoes.
Correct,
Okay.
non-painful, or sometimes when people do have pain or have pain on the ball of the foot, you can see the pad on there really helps. Go ahead and put your shoes on and let's see how they feel in there. It doesn't take up a lot of room, so
No, it
it should
doesn't.
be pretty
Yeah.
comfortable.
Yeah.
Okay,
Still wiggle your toes?
Yeah, a little bit.
perfect.
As
Well,
much
it's-
as you can in driving shoes.
right, well, as long as the dog doesn't run off with it, that will last you for a year,
Okay.
okay?
Fair enough.
Love
All
it.
right, and take on another edition of What the Heck Is It?